In this video, we will explore the SQL right join. A right join retrieves all records from the right table, along with the matching records from the left table. Let's dive in and understand how it works. A right join returns all records from the right table, often labeled as Table B, and only the matched records from the left table, referred to as Table A. If there isn't a match for a record in Table B within Table A, the result will contain null values for the columns originating from Table A. Here's the syntax for a right join. First, we have select columns to specify which columns you want to retrieve. Then, from table A indicates the left table in your join. Next, right join Table B specifies the right table, which is the focus of the right join. Finally, on table A.column equals table B.column, sets the condition for matching rows between the two tables. Let us consider two sample tables for our right join example. The first table is departments. It contains department_ID and department_name. It contains 3 rows. The first row has a department_ID of 1 and department_name of engineering. The second row has a department_ID of 2 and department_name of marketing. The third row has a department_ID of 3 and department_name of HR. This table contains department information with unique department IDs. The second table is employees. It contains EMP_ID, EMP_name, and department_ID. It contains 4 rows. The first row has EMP_ID as 101, EMP_name as Alice, and department_ID as 1. The second row has EMP_ID as 102, EMP_name as Bob, and department_ID as 2. The third row has EMP_ID as 103, EMP_name as Charlie, and department_ID as 4. The fourth row has EMP_ID as 104, EMP_name as David, and department_ID as 5. This table contains employee information with foreign key references to departments. Here is an example of a right join query. The code is as follows. Select E.emp_ID, E.emp_name, D.department_ID, D.department_name from departments D right join employees E on D.department_ID equals .department_ID. The query aims to retrieve all employees along with their corresponding department information. It selects the employee ID and employee name from the employees table and the department ID and department name from the departments table. It performs a right join, ensuring that all records from the employees table are included in the result. If there is no matching department for an employee, the department columns will contain null values. Here is the result of the right join query executed on the sample tables. The result table contains columns like EMP_ID, EMP_name, department_ID, and department_name. The first row has EMP_ID as 101, EMP_name as Alice, department_ID as 1, and department_name as engineering. The second row has EMP_ID as 102, EMP_name as Bob, department_ID as 2, and department_name as marketing. The third row has EMP_ID as 103, EMP_name as Charlie, department_ID as 4, and department_name as null. The fourth row has EMP_ID as 104, EMP_name as David, department_ID as 5, and department_name as null. Here are the key points to remember. All employees from the right table are included in the result. The highlighted rows shows the employees with no matching department. Null values appear where no match exists in the left table. Now let us look at 2 use cases for the right join. The first use case is finding missing references. Use right join to identify records in the right table that don't have corresponding entries in the left table. For example, find all employees who don't have a department assigned or whose department doesn't exist in the departments table. The second use case is complete data requirements. Use right join when you need all records from a specific table, the right table, regardless of matching conditions with another table. For example, ensuring all orders are included in a report, even if customer information is missing or incomplete. Let us compare the right join with the left join. A left join returns all records from the left table, Table A, and the matching records from the right table, Table B. In contrast, a right join returns all records from the right table, Table B, and matching records from the left table, Table A. The code for left join is select asterisk from Table A left join Table B on Table A.key equals Table B.key. The code for right join is select asterisk from Table A right join Table B on Table A.key equals Table B.key. Here are some of the best practices when working with the right join. Always use meaningful table aliases for clarity, especially with multiple joins. For example, from departments D right join employees E. A right join can often be rewritten as a left join by swapping the table order, which many find more intuitive. Use is null to find records where matches don't exist in the left table. For example, where department underscore name is null. Ensure joined columns are properly indexed for performance, especially for large tables. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.